Ilang item? That I don't know. Wala pa ako nag-hemogwiz. Pero most probably nasa 15 to 25, ganon, max. Sige, again ha, anti-cariogenic means anti-caries, that is to prevent tooth decay. Now, we can see sodium fluoride sa ating mga toothpaste and other mouth preparations, oral preparations natin, like mouthwashes. Meron yan silang sodium fluoride. And then meron din tayong fluoride na directly nilalagay sa ngipin natin. Example, punta tayo sa dentist, meron silang solution na pinapahid lang. But that is only good for at least once a year or twice a year. Hindi din kasi pwedeng masobrahan tayo class ng fluoride. Fluoride is a very toxic element, very corrosive and very toxic. So, kailangan maliit lang yung i-ingest talaga natin neto. Now, especially for children, hindi sila pwedeng masyadong maraming ma-ingest na fluoride kasi they will suffer from dental fluorosis. Itong dental fluorosis, ito yung toxicity ng fluoride. Dental fluorosis, or we call that mottled enamel. Yung kanilang teeth class maging brittle, there will be premature calcification. So, humok ilahang ngipon and then naga-discolor siya. Okay? So, meron tayong mga iron-free, fluoride iron-free toothpaste for toddlers. Ang example niyan, brand name, ito ha, Sans Flu. Kaya meron talagang separate sila na toothpaste. Pero tayo din adults, wag naman tayo mag-toothbrush ng 5 times a day, no? Kada kaon toothbrush. Hindi din yun siya good for our teeth. Magabok atong teeth, ana. Instead na ma-prevent ang tooth decay, masira na siya because of the fluoride. Let me show you a picture of what dental fluorosis is. Oh, this one, I have it pala here. This one. So, I don't know if you have seen children na nagdi-discolor yung kanilang teeth just like this one. We call that mottled enamel. Nasubraan na siya. This one also, dental fluorosis. Nasobrahan ng fluoride. So, good na yung twice or thrice a day ka mag-brush ng teeth. Huwag niyo naman sobrahan. Ha? Kay magabok na yung hangipon just like this one. Again, very corrosive and very toxic ang sodium fluoride. So, be careful. Okay? Nakakaano yun siya, nakakakos ng burn ang sodium fluoride. So, meron tayong antidote niyan for our sodium fluoride. It's calcium gluconate. Antidote ito ha, pag example, naka-experience ng burn or yung toxicity sa sodium fluoride, calcium gluconate ang binibigay. Nagkakaroon kasi ng tooth decay because of what we eat. Yung kinakain kasi natin, mag-lodge yan doon sa mga ngipin natin, tapos hindi tayo nag-toothbrush, kakainin kasi yan ng bacteria. And then, pagkain ng bacteria, kasama na yung teeth natin. Okay? So, that's the work of the sodium fluoride actually. But then again, it can damage the enamel of the teeth if masobrahan. Masira yung calcium deposit. As our teeth is made up of 99% calcium. Instead na maging strong siya, nagiging brittle na yung teeth pag masobrahan ng fluorine. Okay? And then, we also have sodium hydroxide. Ito yung tinatawag nila sa market na sosa or liquid sosa na pag may bara, example sa mga, example lababo, may bara, nilalagyan ng liquid sosa. It's actually sodium hydroxide. So we also call this as caustic soda, lye soda, sosa, or liquid sosa, or even lye. So it's a very strong acid. It can be corrosive or caustic. It can really cause cell death if ilagay nyo siya or magkaroon yung body natin ng exposure sa sodium hydroxide. But sa industry or even pharmaceutically, si sodium hydroxide ginagamit as saponifying agent. Ito yung pag gusto nating gumawa ng soap. Pero ang ano, planting. Pag gusto natin yung soap na hard soap, like yung mga Safeguard, ganon, hard soap, yun ang ginagamit, sodium hydroxide. Pag gumagawa kasi tayo ng soap class, it's just fats or oil. Yung fat, example, lard. O kaya kung oil, mga vegetable oil like coconut oil, olive oil, dagdagan mo lang siya ng sodium hydroxide, you will really get the soap. It's the hard one. Pero kasi, pag fats or oil, tapos ang ginamit mo is potassium hydroxide as a base, as a strong base, ito yung ang makukuha natin liquid soap. So the hard soap and the liquid soap, nakadepende yan sa basic or the alkaline substance na inad natin sa fats or sa oil. Okay? In chemistry also, second sem, you will have your farm analysis. We will be doing titrimetry. This one is a chemical process to determine concentration of the substance. Yung pinag-uusapan natin na molarity, normality, sa laboratory yun siya, ginagamitan natin ng titration process. Yes, Miss Nawa, you have question? Wala. So, ito na open ang mic. Time is it? Oh, 3 minutes. Okay. Let me just continue. Another thing, please do not use glass in storing sodium hydroxide because it can cause leaching. Itong leaching, i-attack niya yung glass. So masisira ang glass. Ang mga components na nasa glass, masisira yun siya. Kaya hindi tayo nagsustore ng sodium hydroxide sa glass talaga. It's better to use plastic if we talk about sodium hydroxide. It's the other way around for our acids. Sorry sa ba mong iro. Ano na ito kung ginaingon? Again, kung sa mga acid class, please do not use plastic as container kasi matutunaw yung plastic. Okay? This is only for sodium hydroxide. And then, by the way, sabi ko kanina, caustic siya, no? It will cause rapid destruction of the cell. Now, ito kasi yung kinokause ng ating sodium hydroxide, liquefactive necrosis. Again, liquefactive necrosis. Necrosis means mamatay ang tissue. Okay? But it's liquefactive because it will target the lipids. Okay? Liquefactive, matutunaw talaga. Example, maadto siya sa imuhang nawong, ang sodium hydroxide. Matunaw imunaw class. Ang imuhang mga fats din ha matunaw. So, ma-erase jud ang nawong. Therefore, please do not play with sodium hydroxide ha in the laboratory. Okay? It's actually the other way around for acids. Kasi sa acids, this will cause coagulative necrosis. Mamamatay pa rin ang tissues, pero hindi siya matutunaw mag-coagulate kasi yung target ng acid ay yung mga proteins. So parang siyang makekeloid. Pag example, napunta sa mukha mo yung acid, hindi siya matutunaw, mag-keloid siya. Mag-keloid. So magkaiba sila ng effect sa body. So please do not expose yourselves dito. Okay? It's already 4:30. We will continue next meeting after our quiz. Okay? So again our quiz is about buffer solution, including the computation, and then half of, not really half, pero a little about the elements, just group 0 elements, and then the hydrogen, and then the lithium. I will not be including the sodium pa, since medyo marami ito, and then hindi pa ako tapos with the sodium. Okay? Wednesday yung exam ninyo, ha? Any question or clarifications before time mag-end? Next week na lang din yung may mga questions sa grades.